With hurricane season just around the corner, city officials want you to have a plan of action. In an effort to prepare the community for heavy storms, Hidalgo County hosting emergency preparedness fairs beginning today through June. Residents can obtain valuable information and tools to be better prepared for an unexpected disaster.
They should always be prepared. If an event is happening, they should prepare with sandbags, make sure that they secure their households, and also that they have a full tank of gas and water and food resources, first aid kits. Those are the types of things that they need to have. So stay in touch with the weather. They need to make sure that they're watching their local news, make sure that they look at our county website, our emergency management website.
The county will be hosting another fair tomorrow at Dona North High School from 6 in the evening to 8, and Friday at the South Tower Community Resource Center in Alamo from 10 in the morning until noon. For a complete list, visit our website at EO.com.